Hi guys, good morning. It's the 5th of June today, and let's just do a quick analysis of US30, shall we? So, as usual, I am going to start with the weekly. I do mostly start with daily, but I think let's just have a look at the weekly highs and see where we are. So, if you can see, this was a previous support resistance that I drew off the weekly, and let me just get rid of this, get rid of this, so that's a bit neater. Okay, so we do see that price is hasn't really broken off the support resistance line. What support resistance line? The trend line. Sorry, guys, the trend line. Um, here. So to say that price is bullish, like on a long term, I don't think so at the moment. I mean, though I do think it is going to push up and take, because price always likes the sideways liquidity, so I do think price is going to go take that out to the higher, especially the weekly highs. I do think price is pushing up, but at the same time, in terms of a short term, what's going to happen today possibly is I think price could push up here, do this liquidity grab over this daily, because I told you there was a gap here. So it might possibly just do a fake out, come back into the channel and go do a retracement, because it needs to get this retracement done. So I would basically be looking to see if I would be shorting it, unless I do see some like nice buy setups, but then I would be really targeting the 34,000 area. So that's really not going to give us so much pips, to be honest. So if I were to, like, let's say get somewhere here, I mean, yeah, it's about less than 200 pips here, which is not still not too bad to grab on a quick scalp. But then I would be very interested in seeing if I could grab this bit here, and for all because it's almost going to reach the top of the trend line, so you might do a rejection off there, and I just thought I was going to delete this, and basically I would be seeing if it's going to come all the way back down to catch it. Do you know what I mean? Like a proper downtrend. So let's just draw the fib in case it's like on an uptrend. I would be looking to draw the fib upwards. Let's draw it under here, okay? So yeah, so this is somewhere at the close of this candle at the bottom at the open of it, or the close of this long candle here, it's your 0.3. So you guys know how to draw the fib. So I drew it on the high time frame. You can draw it in the hour and whatsoever. But yeah, so I do think that at the very bare minimum, price could come to the 0.5 or 0.382, possibly go all the way down and continue the downwards trend really. So yes, I would be trying to catch the retracement, and obviously if I'm going to on my trends right now, it is an uptrend on a higher time frame. So I'm not, if I do see a rejection here, I'm not going to enter unless I do see a trend change in the lower time frame, which is my 1 minute. And obviously if I'm trading through my pin bars, then you guys already know what I'm looking for. I am going to wait for this thing. Look at how messy it is on a lower time frame, even though it is a uptrend. So obviously not going to trade any of this. You need it to fan out beautifully like the way it was doing. Even this is still not too bad to catch. So but yeah, so I would be waiting for like 1 minute, 5 minute trend change, and then trying to see if I can catch the retracement. So there might be quick scalps for the upside here just to see what happens. So keep an eye on the 34,000 zone, guys, here, or maybe even this trend line on a short-term basis, which is 38,770. Let me see, 3880 around here is another area of interest that I'll be very interested in looking at. Let me just open up my smart money concepts. Yeah. Okay, so we are at a very crucial zone. If you guys can see here, you see, so it possibly could come out, take out the liquidity on this highs and do a retracement, or it could literally come back, retest the zone, and then fly up to the 34,000. So yeah, so just keep an eye to see what it's going to do on for New York opening. Not going to trade anything until I get proper confirmations, because right now price is just like teetering, ranging. Don't really like this. So I'm just going to wait for a proper breakout and then take it whichever direction it's giving its bias to. Most probably trading after New York, guys, later part of the day. So yeah, so that's my analysis for US 30 today. So let's see how that goes. And today's just Monday. We've got the rest of the week to crush it. So be patient, let price show you what it's gonna do, and then you guys can take it from there and then trade safely and using proper risk management. Okay. So happy trading and see you guys back again with another video tomorrow.